I'll get you a date with him. That's a joke, little man. I'm joking with you. She won't date you. You look broke. Piper, step back. I'm still on probation. Thank you very much. Here comes. Is he high? Done it, Americans. You shoot your presidents. That's what you get. Show him, son. Finney, show him. Look at you, female. Get away from me. This woman said, you really don't like the kids, do you? I said, yeah, of course I do, lady. I love the kids. She said, but you tease them. I said, in the show I do, yes. Doesn't mean to say I don't like them. Right way you're watching me. Sir, hands out your pockets. That's another game. Boy Scout leader. Say stop as I go. Let's get some more Americans over here. All you can eat! Look at the fat lady jump the fence. Here they come, look at them. Benji, say stop, that's where your card will go. Stop. Right there, Benji, there it is. Piper, there's your smiley face. Watch this card. Float, Benji, in midair. Piper, are you ready? Off a weapon. It's also a virgin finder. Oh, I'm sorry, it must be broke. Here we go, watch this. Watch it float, Americans. Here we go. Oh! Oh, yeah. Oh, you shut up, kid. Pretty obvious it's on the stick from your angle. Ready. Grab the card. Step back, Benji. Now watch the card disappear. Then I'm out of here. Because I have a life. The other kids can see the magic. You can't see it, little boy, because your parents are alcoholics. Here we go. Benji, what is wrong with this country? I'm doing great jokes. They're looking at me like I don't belong here. I am from England. We give you Boy George. Benji, are you ready? What is your name? One step forward. I know your socks match your underwear, you pervert. Put your hand in your back pocket, take out Benji's card. Is it in there?
No.
Of course it ain't, you stupid Wally. No wonder my jokes don't work. Number 8. Watch this. These are your kids, lady. You gotta get a TV. It's ridiculous. Poor old man.
Oh, we could go like that, man. I reckon you can see through that thing any better there.
We're right here, haven't we? We've got a straight on full view. We'll do it when we get back. Hey, how about you guys take it?
And you may never catch a freak without a deep one thought. They don't walk, when they step, they strut. 9 times out of 10 to drop.
It's already bad enough.
Can I get you